you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, 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 life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, spend my whole life loving you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brianna's DIY world. No, I'm not really sick, but I'm going to teach you, I'm going to give you some tips so you don't get sick and you can go over flu season without going to the doctor. Here are my two secrets that I highly recommend to help you not get sick this flu season. I'll also be giving you some other tips, things that help when you need a little extra boost too. Number one is 100% grape juice. It needs to be 100%. You can get it in Great Value, normal blend. You can get it in some of the other brands. It doesn't matter. It just needs to be 100%. You can even make some 100% grape juice, and it'll work. This is a lifesaver for if you are feeling nauseous. I don't know how many times I'm about to throw up. I know it's going around. It's right around me, and I start feeling sick, and I take this, and I'm good. This has helped me not get sick. You take this, it works great. I used to not like grape juice, but since whenever I feel sick and I have this, so great. Sometimes you just feel nauseous for not even good reason, and I get this down on than other foods. It's amazing. It will help you. It's great. My second tip is Solving Cellular Immune Support, and this is just colloidal silver, which is, I'm not sure, but all you do is you spray it up your nose, and it will get, you breathe it really deep, and it'll get into your sinuses, and it will kill off stuff, and it is painful, but so worth it. So I take this when I feel like I'm going to get any kind of sickness, if I'm getting the cold or anything, I'll take this up. So far, whenever I've taken this, I've not gotten sick. I've not been sick in over like 2 years. It's like anything. The one thing I did get sick with, my family was all like really sick, down in bed, couldn't do anything around Christmas. I got like a mild little cold, and it was fine. I was good, and I got over it. It's the last thing I've gotten in 2 years. Good health is so good. If you're eating healthy, you're drinking water, you're building up your immune system, your body can heal itself a lot. These are just some tips to help you fight it off when sometimes your immune system needs a little extra boost. I like to just take this, cut 3 squirts each side, up your nose. It will burn. You will feel better. So you squirt 3 up each nose. Breathe it up deeply, and it will get up into your sinuses and help heal you. So those are my 2 ones that I highly recommend. Use those and I have not gotten sick. Some other ones that sometimes I want to take if I know something super bad is going around, I need a little extra. Grapefruit seed extract. It's vegan. It's great for you. Put a couple drops of this into some like lemon juice with a little bit of sugar, agave, anything like that. But like 12 or more drops. This will help if you have diarrhea, if you're needing to fight any off cold. Great stuff to help you out. I also will use essential oils. doTERRA is a brand I preferably use right now. Do On Guard and oregano are my 2. You rub them on your feet, and you put socks on it, or you can get straight into bed so it doesn't. You just want the oils to make sure they stay on your feet, and those help. Alright, you guys, this is to help you fight flu season. You want more videos like this? Comment below and tell me exactly what you want, products you want me to tell you about, or different things that help me in my life, and I will let you know. Any other videos too, let me know. Please like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day, have an amazing time, and go on plenty of adventures, and that you are the best! One of the best things for your health is drink a lot of water. You gotta clear out all those toxins.